Introducing Dot from Wonder Workshop. Dot is the brains of a robot. It's the best way for kids to learn coding and robotics with hands-on play. Right out of the box, Dot is ready to play, no assembly required. Once you connect to our Wonder or Blockly apps, you can make hundreds of games using the built-in tutorial challenges. Like making a light sword, or a fun magic dot ball.
I'm gonna go with maybe.
Wonder is easy to learn because we include hundreds of preloaded missions that teach coding in an easy, fun way.
Yippee!
You can save your games and take Dot anywhere without your smartphone or tablet. Turn Dot into a hot potato and go outside. With our Wonder app, Dot can be any gadget or game a child can imagine. Dot is even more fun with our Dash robot. With our Blockly app, your kids will invent endless ways to play with the two. Dot is the best introduction to coding and robotics with hands-on play.
Way to go!
The Wonder app is available on phones and tablets, and Blockly is available on tablets.
Hi!
For more information, visit makewonder.com.
Life has many troubles, and some of them are defined by climate. Maybe you are too hot on a summer's day and wish you could take all your clothes off. Or perhaps you are too cold during winter and can't even send a text because your hands are too shaky from shivering. Or how about having those dreaded night sweats and you can't turn on the air conditioner or AC because your wife has cold feet? What is one to do? Introducing the Aircon Watch. The Aircon Watch is a new, revolutionary product that will allow you to get that much-needed thermal satisfaction without disturbing a soul. You can warm yourself up or cool yourself down, even if you are out in the scorching sun or in a frigid winter's night. Doing any outdoor activity most times depends on the temperature and the climate. On the other hand, being inside all depends on if your heater or air conditioner is on and using up electricity. The Aircon Watch offers the convenience that you need by freeing you from an energy-wasting air conditioner, but never limiting you to the outside temperature, and all within the form of a small watch. The human body has a natural body temperature of 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, but depending on the weather and external temperature, our body responds by sending a signal to the nervous system, whereby the brain receives the signal, which gives the sensation that we are feeling at that exact moment. But what if we could change the signal that our nervous system sends to the brain by using the Aircon Watch to generate pulses of heat or cold? With this method, we can make our body start to feel more aware of the temperatures and thus stabilize our sensations. Imagine running your wrist through a stream of icy or warm water. This is the feeling that you will get from Aircon Watch. The secret is in the straps. It contains a small device that has within it our Climacon technology. This tiny device will fit on the inner wrist in an area where the nerves are closer to the skin surface so as to allow for maximum transfer of temperature. The watch can be used during any temperature, any season, or any time zone. If you suffer from night sweats, you can now finally have a cozy night. If you like climbing or outdoor photography, Aircon Watch could be your best friend. But one of the reasons why we developed this product was to help women during menopause. Menopause often has hot flashes, which can be extremely annoying to the extent where it becomes painful. But what if you could get some relief from a small device that emits a soothing, cool temperature? The Aircon Watch has been tested with more than 100 people and using several prototypes. Our experienced design team has worked for more than 2 years in research and development to improve Aircon Watch and reach the design and level that we are at today. Global warming is gradually destroying the Earth's entire ecosystem. So why not turn that AC off and turn on the Aircon Watch? It most definitely will help keep your pocket fuller and your body cooler.
Introducing the Moon by One Ring, the world's first smart camera to defy gravity. The unique stabilized levitation technology, coupled with advanced wireless resonant charging capability, allows the Moon by One Ring to not only endlessly levitate above its stand, but noiselessly rotate in any direction with a simple swipe of your finger, leaving no spot unnoticed. We have equipped the camera with the latest generation full HD CMOS sensor with a pixel area much larger than that of any ordinary home security solutions. Combined with a bright, wide-angle lens, the Moon by One Ring captures considerably more light than an average home monitor camera, resulting in incredibly crisp and clear images, even in dimly lit conditions. Two built-in precision microphones on each side of the lens automatically detect the direction of incoming sound and adjust the camera's field of view accordingly, making sure it captures every moment. We have also integrated a high-quality loudspeaker and an additional third microphone for HD noise cancellation, so you'll not only see and hear what happens around the camera, but can also communicate, making the Moon by One Ring a natural choice for video calls both at your home and in your office. For over 2 years, our team has been dedicated to designing the Moon with a single goal in mind: to create the most advanced and versatile smart home solution in the world. To achieve this, we have opted to combine the major home automation standards of Z-Wave, Zigbee, and Bluetooth Smart with a beautiful, easy-to-use and feature-rich camera, giving you an unparalleled flexibility in building or expanding your very own smart home or office. The Moon by One Ring has temperature, humidity, CO2, and light sensor integrations, so it will not only notify you whenever it's a good time to let in some fresh air or turn on the air conditioner, but it can share this information with other smart home devices. Additionally, thanks to its integrated IR blaster, the Moon by One Ring can also control your legacy appliances like the air conditioner, stereo system, or television, integrating them into your personal Internet of Things. All of the crucial electronic components are integrated directly into the camera, so you can also use it independently from the base unit. The built-in battery enables up to 5 hours of autonomous operation, while the USB Type-C port makes charging on the go fast and convenient. We've engineered the Moon by One Ring as the most sophisticated smart camera for your home and office. Support our project and make the dream of a truly flexible and easy-to-use smart home come one step closer.
Metal can be difficult, labor-intensive, and often downright dangerous. Tin snips or grinders, shears, oxyacetylene or plasma cutters. They're dangerous, hot, produce sparks, leave burrs, or warped metal edges. Introducing the Cannibal, the powerful and versatile professional nibbler with a patented cutting action designed to make countless cutting jobs easier, faster, and safer. Fitting effortlessly into any standard drill, the Cannibal can glide through material up to 2 millimeters thick or 14 gauge, and to a radius as small as 8 millimeters or 5/16 of an inch. Sheet metal, corrugated material, pipes, complex profiles, powder-coated material, stainless steel, copper, aluminum, formica, plastic, fiberglass, even soft materials such as denim, leather, paper, or card. The Cannibal is so versatile, it can handle it all with ease. Take a look at the Cannibal's patented cutting action. Driven by the circular motion of the drill, the case-hardened die and the high-speed steel cutting punch perform a rapid up and down motion, punching out the material on the upstroke into the die. This creates a precision, burr-free edge. No need for filing and no distortion of the material edge that you get with other cutting tools. DIY handymen, farmers, plumbers, electricians, roofers, panel beaters, car restorers, arts and craft. This is a powerful tool that will change the way you think about cutting sheet material and open up new possibilities that will save you time and effort on many jobs. You can purchase the Cannibal directly from the manufacturer online at www.cannibaltools.com for massive savings. And with our 5-year worldwide guarantee, you'll be confident that your Cannibal will